damaging the so-called secular cause. So-called.
Rajdeep, do you know that I lost the sitting MLA seat of Kishanganj? I didn't use that word damage. Thakurganj we couldn't win. Shergati we could not win. No, where is an end to this this nonsense that the whole idea of these political parties who are making such allegations against me is that I should not contest. How dare you come and contest? How dare you stand in front of us? I will stand in front of you. I have a right to.
They seem to believe that you have cut into their Muslim vote bank.
But
they seem to believe that you have broken their Muslim vote bank. Consolidation of Muslim votes has not taken place.
Rajdeep, do you know that the tallest RJD leader, Abdul Bari Siddiqui, what happened?
He lost.
How did he lose? I can give you numerous examples. The problem is how and what makes these political parties say that Muslim vote. Boss, these Johnnies could not win 39 Lok Sabha seats in Bihar. And if you win, the Gandhi family, we won because of Gandhi family and Prince Charming. And if we lose, Owaisi is responsible for that. No. What is this?
No, because in this election,
put an end to this nonsense. Do some introspection.
Introspection they have
to do. Do some introspection.
They have to introspect. They have to introspect, but you also maybe have to introspect that the seats you've contested may make all the difference between victory and defeat.
No.
Who's your enemy number one? Is it the Congress or the BJP? Who's your enemy number one?
Rajdeep, I have said this before, I'll say it again. They are two sides of one coin. There is no difference. One destroys equal opportunity by smiling, one comes with an aggressive face. There's no difference.
So if you are in a position...
The whole idea is that you should not contest. Why is Owaisi...
No, so if you have 5 MLAs and today the RJD, let's say, goes up to 118, will you support the RJD? Will you support the RJD-led alliance?
The minute final result... Rajdeep, let the final results come out. Let ECI tell BJP or NDA, Gadbandhan and all these political parties, respective political parties have won this number of seats. Then you ask me this question. As of now, neither you know,
that's a cop out.
Because even
that's
your
a cop out.
access
Asauddin Owaisi, everyone's eyes are on you this evening. Everyone is wanting to know who will you support.
What eyes?
People's eye, there is a sense you could be the kingmaker of Bihar. If these numbers change even slightly, you could be the kingmaker. I am asking you again, who will you support? If there are 5 short, will you support or abstain?
Rajdeep, you can formulate whatever opinion you want. But our party spokesperson, who was an observer from MIM party in Kishanganj, has given a statement that our fight we started our political journey in Bihar with Justice for Simanchal, which still continues. And we have clearly said that there can be no compromise as far as the true secularism is concerned, not the secularism which has been practiced so far. That is the official stand of the party. Now, what numbers every political party will get, that in itself will tell you what shape of government or who will form the government. But definitely, Rajdeep, please allow me to complete. I will have to speak to my state president, Mr. Akhtar Ali Man, who has won with a bumper majority of nearly 35 or 40,000. And he defeated a 6-time Congress MLA who in front of Rahul Gandhi said that we will break arms and legs of Owaisi and send him back to Hyderabad. The people of Amur have shown him his place. So I will have to consult my party people. We'll speak to them, we'll decide, and definitely we'll continue. Where is the question of copping out? Owaisi it is not in my nature to cop out. I am telling you the facts.
Pawan Khera, what have you gone and done? You will be today called the betrayer of secularism by the Mahagathbandhan. I heard this on a channel a little while ago. Asauddin Owaisi has betrayed the secular alliance. You won 5 seats, damaged the Gathbandhan in 5. And the result very different. Your response to what you've had, what you've seen today.
It was you're the biggest mischief maker. It was your tweet which said I damaged in 5. What is this language from a senior journalist like you? Damage? Rajdeep, I was assuming that you don't represent Mahagathbandhan. But by tweeting you damaged 5, what is that? Elections are won, parties win, parties lose. I mean, you are assuming that the voter who has voted for me is a lifelong hostage and who has to work as a laborer on that political party for that political party. Then do you want to keep democracy alive or you want democracy to be hostage?
No, fine.